Hello everyone, welcome to the today's lecture topic Agni classification on the basis of location. Let's get started. According to Ayurveda, there are 13 types of Agni present in our body. One is Jataragni, 5 Bhutagni and 7 Dhatu Agni. Among these 13 Agnis, Jataragni is the prime one and nourishes the other Agnis. First we discuss about the Jataragni. Definition and site of action of Jataragni. The first Agni which acts on the ingested food is Jataragni. Refers to the whole process of digestion in GI or coast, especially stomach and duodenum. It digests the ingested food and separates it into the sar and kit. Sar is considered as the essence of the ingested food and kit is considered as the unwanted waste product or excreta. It means that Jataragni mainly it separates the qualities which are potentially present in the food. Now, mechanism of action. Whatever the food that we ingest with the help of the pranvayu, it enter into the coast where Kleta cup disintegrate and moisturize it for easy digestion. So thereafter, Samanvayu intensify the Jataragni. After getting stimulation, Agni digests the ingested food and separate it into Sar and Kit. Sar is undergo the Bhutagni Pak, while Kit contribute to the formation of Mutra, Purus, Sved and Tridosha. Now, significance of Jataragni. Jataragni is responsible for maintenance and promotion of longevity, complexion, health, enthusiasm, growth, pleasure, vitality, strength of the other Agni, and vital energy. When the Agni stops to functioning, the person will die. With normal functioning status of Agni responsible for disease-free long life. It leads to the disease when imbalanced status is there. So that is why Agni is a causative factor for health and longevity. Jataragni is prime factor for digestion of ingested food. When Jataragni potential becomes weak, it does not digest the food properly. As a result, indigested rust forms which termed as a arm, which is the main reason for many diseases. Second digestive factor, that is the Bhuta. So after Jataragni Pak, Bhutagni Pak comes in action at Adha Amasya at the time of Rasmal Vivek Samkal before it gets circulated for Dhatu utilization. So after the digestion of the ingested food by the Jataragni, so the Sar portion is get absorbed from the intestine and thereafter it further undergo the biological transformation by the Bhutagni in the internal organs, especially Yakrut, Agnaceae, Pittanali, where the maximum biological transformation takes place. During the course of Bhutagni Pak, Sar portion of ingested food is converted into even such a subtle essence form that Dhatu can easily assimilate it after the uh, selective absorption of its needed substance from the circulation via concerned channels. Actually, in Bhutagni Pak, Sarbag of ingested food is converted into the Bhutams by the recognition of the potential qualities in the ingested food as Parthiv, Jala, Teja, Vayu, Akasha qualities in the ingested food. After the Jataragni Pak, whatever the Sara portion is formed, the body cannot utilize it as such. It needs to convert in such a form that body can easily assimilate it and utilize it where come the role of Bhutagni Pak. So there are five type of Agni, namely Bom, Apya, Agneya, Vayavya and Nabas. The five Bhutagni are one of each Mahabhuta transform those components of food that are homologous to them in their composition of structure of human organism. Specific categories of entities in the body having specific attributes can be nourished by only those substances that belong to the same category having those same attributes. This means that Parthiva entities in the body can be nourished only by the Parthiva substance in the food and so on. The same rule is applicable to the whole body. Rakta Dhatu is get nourished by the Agni and Apya entities, and Asti Dhatu is get nourished by the Bom and Apya Mahabhut. So it is about the Bhutagni Pak. What is the Dhatu Agni and what is the site of action and what is the mode of action of Dhatu Agni? So the seven components of the body which bear and support the body is known as a dhatu, and the agni which present in these dhatus are called as a dhatu agni, such as rasagni, raktagni, masagni, medagni, astyagni, majjagni, and sukragni. So which transform the ingested food into two categories. One is the sar and second is the kit. So the Kayagni or Jataragni, which located in its own seat, is also located in the Dhatu. The increase or decrease of such Agni will lead to increase and decrease of Dhatus respectively. After the completion of the Bhutagni Pak, subtle essence Bhutams get circulated throughout the body via Vayu through concerned channels. So during the course of its circulation, concerned Dhatu select their concerned Bhutams from circulation, and thereafter the concerned Agni act on that Bhutams to transform them into their own form. In this way, Dhatu nourishment and replenishment take place. The sar which form in the dhatus have two types. One is Sushma portion and other is Sthul portion. Sthul portion is remain in dhatu to provide nourishment and replenishment to concerned dhatu, while Sushma or macro portion it gets circulated to provide nourishment to ongoing dhatu. So it is about the agni which are present in our body and the mode of action of different agni on the ingested food in order to convert that vijatiya ingested food into to convert them into the sajatiya food, so dhatu can assimilate it and convert it in as such, so that dhatu utilize it and get nourishment. So it is about the Agni. Thank you for listening.